Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a SOLV USDT after listing with initiation accumulation pump model and my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Guys, on this video, we analyze only this chart, this block. So we talk about initiation accumulation pump model, how to work with this model. I highly recommend you go and check free educational video. Next step, when we will stop at some level, we will make updates and try to identify the potential for the upside move for this token, because now we're just in a correction after listing. Of course, now everybody waiting some hype about Trump next to yesterday to tomorrow event, right? But I think all this price movement on the BTC, on the Trump token especially, price it in already in the all crypto market. And I think it will be more than okay to see the correction at the beginning of next week. So it will be the healthy correction for SOLV. Of course, after listing, we also will see the correction. Now we got a Bybit listing, KuCoin. Its listing price was 1 cent. Binance and the Gate.io, the listing price 3 cents. Why it's important? Because based on these listing prices, right? If we use the initiation accumulation pump model, the zone of accumulation, zone of interest, absolutely different. So which one is more correct? We can't know in a moment. That's difficult when the big exchanges list the same token, right? The same day with totally different listing prices. So how low we should drop? So on some exchanges, for example, the drop to 3 cents and sweep the listing price, it will be only around here, around 78 level by pip. So that's the point, guys. And it's hard to identify the levels. That's why we can use the two zones, and only up to your own risk where to accumulate this token. So based on Binance and the Gate.io, we drop it down and already came into the first zone of interest. So this is like I call it the okay zone to buy. So if you believe in this project, of course, guys, you can do your own research about fundamental background, about fundraising rounds, about vesting schedule if this token got the vesting schedule rights unlocks. So just do your own research. I would like to show you just technical side. Based on this FIB, we're already in okay zone to buy. What does it mean? It means at this level, at this level, at this level, at this level, you can accumulate the token. Invalidation of this idea for any token after listing if the token dump on the listing price on this exchange, right? So a zone, we're okay to fix profit, swing trade. We talk about a swing trade. This block, it's 27 zone. For SOLV on a Binance, it's 1476, 1565, and the new all-time high. So you can open the great example to understand the logic of this price movement. You can open the chart of SUI. It was a amazing example when the token till penny stop at the best zone to buy and pump it to new all-time high. What will happen with the token after new all-time high? Nobody knows. In this case, we have to use totally another FIB. Pay attention for the timing, pay attention for the BTC dominance, and all of that stuff. Now we work only, guys, with this zone, only this range. You can call it just a range. And of course, we can pay attention for the small time frames because not enough data for daily analysis. All right. On the Binance, we determine the zones. On the Bybit and the KuCoin, we still not even touch the zone. So if you don't want to risk too much, you can use the bigger charts like this one with the lower listing price to avoid the fake outs and the drops. So here it starts only at 6 cent 97 and 5 cent 62. Next step is 3 cent 62 and 2 cent 73. So just you can work with this zone, for example, to avoid some mistakes. But of course, you can miss some right. For example, if this token will stop it here like this one, you just miss the trade. But it's okay, guys. You don't need to open every single trade from every single zones, or buy on a spot every single token. Guys, we live in a real world, in a real trading world. We're not that type of influencer who all the time buy the dip and who have a unlimited budget for every single token. No matter how low the token will dump, no matter which token dump, they always right, they always get money to buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. But at the end, they always profitable, they never made a mistake, everything okay. But guys, we live in the real world. So mistakes, it's just a part of our job. It's okay to make some mistakes. That's why we work with proper risk management. So you build a plan. For example, you want to buy this asset, right? So no makes sense to buy the token after listing. I already explained it to you. Next step, you can start buying here, here. So you follow the plan. Your average entry, let's say 6 cents. If the token drop lower, you only start buying here more. And your average entry will be like 4 cents. And you work with that amount of money, what you can invest in this asset. And keep in mind the potential scenario of invalidation of this idea. So if we'll drop under list price under 1 cent, for example, everything will be okay with your routine, with your regular life, with your family, with you, with your money. You know, you don't have to invest the money what you need for a living. All right, I hope I don't need to explain you the basic things about. All right, so take a look at the zones. Now we try and hold a line at 38 level by fib, 8 cents. I think it will be more than okay with bounce like this one, drop, or without like this one next week. Next week, mostly we will see this zone or maybe even this one. If we will see this one, it will be the invalidation of idea on the Binance. So that's why, guys, I mostly track these zones. Keep in mind this detail about the different listing prices. Take a look with my customer set and solve. Let's use the Bybit 4 hour time frame. I'm not analyzing the 12 time frame because there is not enough data for analysis here. Even though 4 hour time frame, not enough data here. They will step by step accumulate. So here, this is still A3 even on 1 hour time frame. So we need to see some disbelief, depression zone. We lay down at the bottom is good. My idea about a green spring of SOLV still, I think, relevant. So I weighted the BTC dominance on the 50%, 45% maybe in spring SOLV. So the alt will pump. Altcoins, all sector. And Ethereum also, if you laughing now about Ethereum. So here at ADZ, we already formed the warranty because take a look. This is a higher lows and lower lows on the chart, so it's good. So we need to see the third one, like this one, and like this one on the chart. So 6 cents is more than okay to buy the token. Also, guys, like I always explain you, for example, you buy here, 100% profit, you withdraw your initial deposit. Pretty simple safety strategy. Next step, you can fix swing trades here and here. After, when we sweep the all-time high, we will analyze this token again, or even if we invalidate the idea. Got it. Direction we lay down at the bottom, so it's good. But guys, it's only 1 hour time frame. Money power, trade on. Money inflow. So it was a local buy signals, 4 hour time frame, no signal to buy yet. So on local, it was a buy. So nothing special, right? So it was just a local 1 hour time frame trade. So here it was a buy, like tiny 5%. So nothing special, guys. So here was also signal to buy, but I need to see some main signal to buy on a higher time frames. Also, here's a money inflow 1, 2, 3 hours in a row. We get a money inflow, so it's okay. So step by step, the wells accumulate this token. At least on 1 hour time frame, guys. But we need to see something on a daily. And the last indicator, it's take profit. 4 hour time frame, no data. 1 hour time frame, no data. Let's take a look on 30 minutes time frame. Yes, here. Buy line, only the buy line on 30 minutes time frame, it's 7 cents. For the max value of this token, it's 5 cents 26. So most likely we will see these levels, and we're gonna touch it. The take profit line now it's 14 cents 30. Exit line is 15.86. So this is what you need to know about the levels. On a 15-minute time frame, it's a little bit lower here. The buy line will start only at 6 cents 46. For the max value, it's 4 cents 84. last week on January, beginning of February, I think we'll see the one more opportunity to buy the altcoins again. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you want to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.